Hey guys, how's it going? Quick update. Got the new truck. Yeah, about to do truck insurance, go to Chase for a business checking account. I'll let you guys know. Never give up, keep pushing. Check it out. In the back of the truck, it's already set up. But look the stickers in the back. If you win by an inch or a mile, winning is winning. Nice. I think this van is right up my alley. Let's get it. Round to it, heating and air.